Right, we'll let this car go past and then we'll go. Hopefully we get a nice clean run here, guys. Shake it out. Right, lights on her tonight. Let's see how we go. Oh, safe, safe, safe. Did you hear the tyre going there? Tyre went. Tyre went. That was so close. Oh, I held it, I held it, I held it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that scared me. That was max speed that tyre went. Which one is it? Oh, there's definitely a tyre going there. Oh, I'm shaking so bad. Oh, it's not good. That is not good. Which tyre went? Let's see what speed we got first. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. Oh, it really took the wind out of me there. Whoa. I need to compose myself here so I can talk a bit. That's ridiculous. I'm not expecting it to be over 150. Oh, compose yourself, Jamie. Right. Yes. Any wonder the tyre blew. Any wonder the tyre blew. Listen. Oh, right, let's get a look. So, oh, I think I have to edit some of this out. I sound ridiculous. Right, let's save that. Hopefully you can see it on the phone because I don't know whether it's pointing in the right direction. Let's compose myself so I can actually go and check which tyre went. Which tyre went? Let's see. There, look at that. What's that motor feel like? Motor's warm. Front tyre went then. That's needless to say, I was very lucky there to hold that. All the other tyres seem alright. So, there you go, very pleased. Very, very pleased. Right, so we done alright tonight, didn't we? Didn't expect that. 152, real positive. I apologise, I wasn't really able to talk. Generally I come down here, I'll walk about for a bit and try and settle myself before I do a run, get the car out and settle myself down. I didn't, the road was clear, jumped out, sent the car up the road and then sent it, and I was a blubbering mess, couldn't speak at all. And obviously whenever the tyre blew at the end of the road at 150 plus miles per hour, I managed to save it from hitting the curb, which was, it's a bonus. Scared me like, and obviously you could hear that I couldn't speak very much after it because I was in shock. Let's just face it, look, it gets the blood going. Anybody, the only way that you'd be used to running a car, an RC car at that speed, is to be doing it every day, multiple times a day. That's the only way. But look, please how it turned out. There's traffic coming. All good. Until next time, keep it real.